Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Chart Mojo. And in this week, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Dow, and two FNO counters, which we are keeping a tab in the upcoming week. So, guys, if you remember in the last week, we were discussing about Nifty can reach till 17,800 and 18,000. These two level which we were seeing as a resistance level, and in the previous week we have seen Nifty crossing 17,800. So for the next week we will expect Nifty to reach at 18k. Okay, now this will become the next hurdle. 18k is the level, okay, where Nifty will try to consolidate 1 or 2 day, and 18,200 is the next level if 18k is taken out. Okay, this is on the upside. If you remember, we were discussing on a downside at which level we need to think of short. In the last video we were telling 17. Okay, see, this was the candle. Okay, this candle low, or at least 17,450 level should be taken out, then only we will think of short side trade. But as we have seen, a one side, a one way upside movement, so that level never came. Similarly, this time also, as we know that the trend is very strong. Okay, this is a very strong uptrend. Okay, you can see here, this is a very strong uptrend. It is trailing on 5 EMA. Okay, which means that the people, those who are buying here, okay, the market participants, those who are buying here are buying, or let's say are little bit impatient right now. Okay, now at which level we should think of creating a short? You should all watch now 17,500 to create a short trade. Okay, or if someone want to short at resistance level, one can do so at 18k, but just for intraday, that's it. Okay, because we don't know where this trend will end, or it will try to simply go sideways or reverse. Okay, so instead of preempting that, you should keep in mind 17,500 is the level. Okay, if Nifty goes below that, then we will think of creating a short side position in the market. Okay, if Nifty didn't go below 17,500, then you should do nothing for the short side trade. 18k opportunity only for intraday on short side. If you want to go long, then you can work on the pattern, and we think that 18k might be possible in the upcoming week to come. But here is the catch, that is the results which we are seeing right now. Now, if we see Infi result, Infi was down 10%. Okay, if you see the Friday ADR, Infosys ADR, it was 10% down. SDFC result also came. So two heavyweight result need to be discounted on Monday, which is Infi and HDFC. Market have shown a run up. Okay, if there is a negative reaction on Infi as well as HDFC, then definitely market will try to correct. Okay, and if Nifty goes below 17,500, then only we will think of creating short position. Then we can come to know that there was a knee-jerk reaction of result of Infi HDFC Bank, and after that there was a follow-up selling. But if Infi goes down, HDFC Bank goes up as in the result reaction, the market will try to remain in a range bound manner. Okay. So what you will need to do on Monday is you need to wait for first half an hour. Okay. And then behave as per the market is giving you the signal. 18k is on the card this week if market give positive trigger to even one sector. Okay, now IT, Infosys results are bad, we know, but HDFC is kind of a mixed result, so we need to wait for the market reaction. And if HDFC perform on Monday, then you can expect a upside movement. Otherwise, stay light in the market. I'm giving you two FNO counter, one on long side and one on short side. If we see Bank Nifty on the other hand, Bank Nifty is giving us a breakout. Okay, And not only this falling resistance line breakout, which we can see right now, it is also giving us a horizontal breakout. Now see this. I have marked a level. Okay. So 42K was the level. So we have got a good breakout. Confirmation in Bank Nifty, you will get about 42,200 level, which is nothing but the high of the this breakout candle. Okay. So you should wait for half an hour. As I said, we will see how HDFC result will get discounted in the market. And if you see 42,200 breaching out and market is remaining above that for a half an hour, then definitely your next target will come in intraday at 42,500 and 42,800 level. If the rally continues in the further week, then one can expect 43,500 level in the week to come. What if Bank Nifty, again tries to go down, okay? Then in this situation, we know that there can be a retest of this falling resistance line, okay? It might come here and then again go up, okay? That can be one scenario. So if anyone wants to do positional trade, don't jump just, if there is a red candle on Monday, then people might try to jump. Okay. But if you want to take a positional trade, you should wait for this falling resistance line. Okay. A one time touch here. Okay. A pullback at this level. Oh, sorry, a throwback at this level. Then only you can go for a positional trade. Then you will get a good RR. So for intraday, if it is going above 42,200 for more than a half hour, then we can think that there is a follow-up buying and results are getting discounted. You can go for 42,500, 42,800 in the intraday. Positional 43,500. If you want to take a short trade, then I will say you must avoid taking short trade right now. You can wait for uh, 40,500 level. Then you can think of shorting this, similar what we have discussed in Nifty. Now, on the other hand, Dow, if we see Dow is also getting stronger day by day. Similar kind of move which we are looking in Nifty, Dow is also showing a one-way upside movement. Now, Dow might take a halt here. Okay, 35,000 is the level which we all are looking. 30 above 35,000 level, then we will see any hardly short side trade. Okay, till then we know 34K to, you can say 34 to 35K. Many levels will come as a resistance for Dow, and Dow is entering that zone. So I will be now, taking a neutral stance on Dow, because we need to see whether this resistance will hold or not. Okay, and accordingly we will decide, because Nifty is also in a good upside movement. 18K might look to be achievable. That's why a little bit upside bias there. Let me go and see crude now. If I see crude oil, it is again it is consolidating after a good gap up. It is giving a kind of a neutral signal only right now. Breakout above 9500, then it will shows us the sign of worry at that time. So guys, then let us focus on our stocks. Okay, first one is TVS Motor. We can see there is a stiff resistance. Okay, so if TVS Motor go above 1180, okay, 1180, then we can see an upside movement. For intraday, if you want to do quick scalp, then 1200, there will be a psychological hurdle. Okay, but if someone wants to trade for the whole intraday move, if 1180 is taken out, first 1200 will be the level, then 1240 would be the second level for intraday. One can work upon on TVS Motor based on all-time high breakout, and we can see there was a good consolidation, kind of a sideways pattern which we can see formation on TVS in the coming quarter, which we have seen in the last quarters which we have seen. Now, if someone wants to take a positional trade here, then target will obviously go up. If breakout is successful, then you can see near about 1350 level in the upcoming days to come on TVS Motor. if we see now next counter, which is Tech Mahindra. Now we know Infi results are bad. Tech Mahindra results will be in the last week of this month. So uh, here I am going little bit on a negative side. Okay, if 1060 level is taken out, which is nothing but this previous swing low in the symmetrical triangle formation, if this level is taken out, then you can go for 1040 and 1020 in the intraday. Now this is strictly for intraday. 1060 level, SL of near about 8 to 10 points. 1040, 1020, this two level one could work on if we see Tech Mahindra giving a breakdown from this symmetrical triangle. Okay, so this two trade, TVS you can go for intra as well as positional. Tech Mahindra only for intraday. 1060 is the level which we all will watch for, and you can keep this in the watch list. There will be a breakdown in symmetrical triangle formation, which could result in intraday till 20-40 rupees move in the same day. Okay, so guys, this is it for the video. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you are liking our content, do hit the like button. Till then, take care. I will meet you in the next episode.